All right, people, I am back from honeymoon. Yes, this video is for those who have not tried red oil and spaghetti before. If you have not, you are missing a lot. After watching this video, this will be the first thing you want to make. I was literally eating this inside the pot. It takes your spaghetti to another level. Don't get me wrong, you are used to making it with groundnut oil, but you want to try palm oil. It was so sumptuous. Like, it was heavenly. It was so good. I could stop eating. Let me show you how I made this. You can go in with any protein of your choice. If you want to use beef, if you want to use chicken, turkey, anything you want to use. But I decided to use shrimp since I'm going to be using palm oil. So I decided to make it a bit local. So just fry my shrimp. I use jumbo shrimp in making this. You can use anything you want to. Any protein you want to is good. While this was frying, I brought out my smoked fish, just debone this. Remember, you can use any protein of your choice. Any protein of your choice will go. I came back, I scooped out the shrimp out because I'll be using the pan. Now, this is the magic Ogbonge palm oil. Yes, honestly, guys, you want to try this. So I just scooped some palm oil into the pan. I remember I would like to build flavor in this page. I just added some onion and I added some bell pepper. I added some mixed pepper and I just give this a proper stir and make it to fry. If you know me very well, you know say I like to build flavor. Like we dey build flavor as we dey cook. We not just dey cook. I added some tomatoes, some paste into it to make it take a bit. I went in with the bone smoked fish. Remember, you can go in with any protein of your choice. You can go with elephant hair, turkey, gbogbo hair, anything you want to go with. But I went in with my smoked fish. Guys, you want to try this thing? Let me know if you be trying this because it will change your taste bud to another level. Spaghetti with palm oil is the real deal. You know what, guys? I just felt that spaghetti was not even made for groundnut oil. It was made from palm oil. Like you have to cook it with palm oil. And if you've not tried this recipe, you are missing a lot. Try it and you want to thank me later. And this is the spaghetti. You know how we parboil our spaghetti? Just parboil it. You make it single like this. You can go into some vegetable oil. Then add this into your sauce base. Now you want to start stirring. You adjust your seasoning, adjust your pepper, everything you want to adjust at this point, you adjust and start stirring. Guys, I'm not hyping. This was so good. Man, hey, you want to try this? Try this and come and thank me later. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share and like and comment. God bless you. It's your girl, Martha Owe. Bye.